Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in OneNote. While OneNote doesn't have a traditional text box feature like other programs, there's a clever workaround that lets you create containers that function similarly, giving you more control over your note organization. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're in the notebook where you want to work with text boxes. Once your notebook has fully loaded, we can begin setting up the text box functionality. Now head to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Click on File to reveal additional options and tools. This menu is your gateway to OneNote's settings and configurations, which we'll need to access to enable the text box feature. Since OneNote doesn't have the standard text box function you might be familiar with from other applications, we'll simply improvise using what OneNote offers. From your File menu, scroll down and click on Options located at the very bottom. This will open a new window with various configuration settings for how OneNote behaves and displays your content. An Options window will appear with several categories listed on the left side. From here, click on Display on the left side panel. The Display section controls how your notes appear on the page and includes some useful visual features that can enhance your note-taking experience. Now, from the display options, look for the checkbox that says Show Note Containers on Pages. Simply toggle this checkbox on by clicking it. This setting is the key to creating text box-like functionality in OneNote. Once enabled, each note or text block you create will have its own visible container, which you can move around and resize just like a text box. After you've checked the box, click on OK to apply the changes. Your page's notes will now start having their own containers, working essentially as text boxes. You'll notice that each block of text is now surrounded by a border that you can click and drag to reposition anywhere on the page. These containers can be moved freely, resized, and organized however you need them, giving you the flexibility of traditional text boxes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.